wheat, can help manage diabetes when eaten in moderation. Here are 5 main ways it supports blood sugar control. Low glycemic index, when whole grain, causes a slower and steadier rise in blood sugar compared to refined wheat. Green leafy vegetables are highly beneficial for controlling diabetes. Here are 5 main ways they help. Low in carbohydrates and calories. Help manage blood sugar without causing spikes. Rich in fiber, slows down glucose absorption and improves overall blood sugar control. High in magnesium and antioxidants. Support insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. Here are 5 main ways nuts and seeds help control diabetes. Rich in healthy fats. Help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. High in fiber, slow down digestion and stabilize blood sugar levels. Contain protein, promote satiety and help control appetite, reducing overeating. Low glycemic index, do not cause rapid blood sugar spikes. Packed with magnesium and antioxidants. Support glucose metabolism and protect against diabetes complications. Garlic consumption may offer some benefits for individuals with diabetes, particularly in managing blood sugar levels. Studies suggest that garlic can help lower fasting blood glucose and potentially improve postprandial blood sugar control. Greek yogurt can be a beneficial food choice for individuals with diabetes due to its high protein content and lower carbohydrate count compared to regular yogurt. This makes it a good option for managing blood sugar levels and promoting satiety. Improves insulin sensitivity, helping cells use glucose more effectively. Lowers fasting blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. Slows carbohydrate digestion, preventing blood sugar spikes after meals. Mimics insulin activity, aiding glucose entry into cells. May reduce HbA1c levels, improving long-term blood sugar control. Rich in soluble fiber, gel-like mucilage reduces sugar absorption. Improves insulin sensitivity. Powerful antioxidant properties. Helps regulate blood glucose levels. Contains plant-based insulin, polypeptide P, enhances glucose uptake by cells. Reduces insulin resistance, lowers fasting and post-meal blood sugar. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Reduces inflammation linked to insulin resistance. Improves heart health in diabetics. High-quality protein supports blood sugar control. Low glycemic index. Rich in antioxidants, like anthocyanins, improve insulin sensitivity. Help regulate blood sugar spikes. High in fiber for better glucose control. Please like and subscribe for more informative video and also leave comment.